Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups and pretty scary alerts related to the site Tavips.live. So, some people see these quite strange pop-ups by Tavips.live. Definitely these pop-ups are fake and very deceptive. They try to deceive people and to trick them into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. If you see pop-ups by Tavips.live, don't trust them, don't interact with them. The only correct conclusion is to leave this page. And we also strongly advise that you additionally research your computer and examine its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.